going on, champions? So it's Sunday, about midday. Had a pretty big night last night on the beers, so I'm just going to do a real quick video. I've got to get out there and mow the lawns like now before the council get on me case. But basically this video is going to be real quick. I just bought this truck, this F-150. It's a 2016 Effie. It's mint. I was out the other day, I was giving it an absolute pizzling because it's as fast as fuck and it's good to drive. And the check engine light come on. I was like, oh shit, what have I done here? Because I was giving it a fair caning, but that's what you do with these trucks. So, cut a long story short, took it up to the mechanics, fearing the worst, and it was a Evap leak, which is pretty common in these things apparently. So I was going to give you a quick fucking rundown of how to fix it. Really easy fix. So just yeah, we'll get into it and I'll show you how it's done. So righto, these trucks, they don't have a fuel cap. As you can see, it's just a little flat. See that? What happens is just get some shit around it, and it causes it doesn't seal properly because of the crap in there, and then yeah, you're basically sucking air. So you want this thing to be mint clean. Like, that's filthy, as you can see, it's putrid. So I'm gonna clean that up today, and then this seal around here too, because you want that to be sealing pretty smooth, pretty tight as well. So first thing we're gonna do is obviously blow it out, because you don't want to be putting any shit in the tank. So compressed air. Oh, that's so loud with the hangover. Yep, and then a bit of WD-40 or some shit like that. Spray in there. It's pretty simple stuff, this, but the dealerships will charge you a fortune to do this. And then I'm just gonna poke this in and out a heap of times. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. Woohoo! It's like watching a dirty movie. Oh, don't say that. Boom. Might give that a wipe as well, I reckon. There's a fucking rag. Give it a bit of a wipe. Fuck, it's dirty. It's a bit of a stupid idea, really. Like, just put a fuel cap on it. But if they're stinging you a couple $100 every time to take it to the dealership, money for jam, mate. Now, once we've done all this, cleaned it up a bit, because that WD-40 and shit that I just put in there will probably attract more dust. So we'll blow it out, dry it all out. Job's done. $100.